TikTok Lite, why it rejects your what do you call this, date and here. Today I'll be just explaining the TikTok Lite birth date right here. So for the birth date of the TikTok Lite right here, when you're gonna create an account on TikTok Lite, one of the reasons why you're getting rejected is because of your age. So lower ages, below 18, can maybe get rejected in certain different countries, especially I suggest if you're using TikTok Lite, at least be a little bit older, or you can just open a restriction mode on, but it depends on you. And sometimes like me, I've entered in the right month and the right like the right month and the right day, but sometimes I forgot about the year. Like I put in like for example January 30, then on the year forgot to change it. It's gonna be like 2026. So yeah, that's one of the problems that you can encounter. So I suggest double checking your year, date, and month when you're gonna put in your birth date so you won't get rejected. Second thing is being super duper old. Like if you put in your year like 18th century, like for example your birthday is like January 30, 1880, like 1801, you put in like that, scroll down so deep. So yeah, the TikTok Lite will immediately flag it as rejected because um, you're just playing around. So yeah, anyways, those are the stuff that you can get rejected for in your TikTok Lite. And right here, if you want to see birth date right here, for example, right here, it's just an example. Click on manage account, you will see there go date of birth, and press on it, and you can change it. Easy as that. But there you guys, that's how I do it. I hope you guys do enjoy. If you have a question, consider stepping down. Guys, I'll as soon as possible. See you guys on the next one, and thank you guys.